So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Railtel share. So we know that 4 days back itself, we have discussed about Railtel. So in that we have done the complete technical analysis and I told you to add near the 108 as well as 109 rupees region, especially for people who are asking for positional trade. And as usual for long term also, I've discussed that that particular region is going to be very crucial. So today from that particular region only, it has retraced and gone above 122 rupees level and it had showed almost a 12% positive movement. So I have put the technical chart in the Telegram also. If you have not joined the Telegram, so do join the Telegram group. So today we'll discuss what would be the next immediate target, because many new people are present, so that they will have the idea of the technicals and they can have an entry or exit at that particular levels. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so quickly we'll start our discussion with the delivery. So how much deliveries have been taken? So you can see that almost 23.52% deliveries have been taken, and if you see quantity traded, you can see almost 1 crore shares have been traded, and you can see that only 24 lakh shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage wise 23.52. So that is pretty decent, not that great. Okay, so if we compare on an average how much deliveries are taken in Railtel, so you'll see that very negligible trading was present. If we go almost 5 days back or 4 days back also, if you see movement also, much movement was not seen. That is, volatility was completely we can say drained out, and you can say deliveries were consistently increasing. On an average we are seeing almost 45 to 50% deliveries were being taken, but the movement was not being expected. So when we have done the technical analysis, so clearly we have seen what is the supply region where again the buying may start. So exactly from that particular region itself it has start retracing. So that is the power of technical. So never ever underestimate technical. So technicals are one of the main thing that you need to focus. So now let's go to technical charts. We'll see what are the next supports as well as resistances. Okay, so let me give a recap on Sunday, whatever we have discussed regarding the technical. So this was the same chart that we have discussed. These were the lines that have drawn at that point of time, and in immediate resistance also we have seen, that is 128 rupees. So if you see today's updated chart, so you can see the same thing. So it has given a very good reversal from that particular region, and same 128 is the resistance from where the stock has retraced little bit. So it has tried to go above that, but it could not go because it is a very strong resistance. So you need to keep in mind that if you're doing any sort of intraday trading or positional trading, so you need to watch 128 rupees very carefully. If it crosses that, again the same bullishness that I was discussing will be generated. Okay, so if you have a close up in 1 day chart, so you can see in 1 day chart also from the same support region, as usual I tell that whenever you're drawing any support and resistance, try to draw it on a larger time frame. That is, whether it may be 1 week, or even you can take for a very big company, that time you need to draw on 1 month time frame. So when you draw the support and resistance in that particular region, so ultimately it will be simplified even in the 1 day chart. So in the 1 day chart also you can see same levels are present. So continuously the stock has corrected, okay, from the top region, and many people who have bought at the high levels, let's say 156, 160, so they were facing continuous loss. So I told that focus on these levels, and if you want to average also, try to average out so that your average price will be reduced, and if you want to exit also, you can exit with better profit, decent profit, not with maximum loss. So now, as I told, next immediate resistance is going to be 128. So if it crosses that, again definitely it will start shifting towards the 145, 150 region. So again after that we have 160 plus. So support wise you need to watch out for the 110 rupees as a very important support. So in this region only the stock may trade in the coming sessions, that is in next week as well. So make sure if you have already enter within these levels only. So don't have excess greed and add in heavy amounts. Enter at the levels in small quantities. Again, if it corrects next level, try to average at that particular levels. So that would be the best strategy. Okay, so money flow index also you can see it has gone to 63. So earlier if we go a little bit down, that time it was in the 30-35 region. So that has also considerably retraced with the good buying that has been generated today. Okay, so little traded quantity has increased, so stay cautious. Again, any sort of retracement, average at that particular levels and try to book profit if you're having any profit, or if you're holding for long term, then definitely you can hold it as well. So these are the basic levels that I wanted to discuss. Further, if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect me with an Instagram as well. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.